Hey, what's up, guys and girls? Jesse Daly here. Thanks for being here on Daily Weather. Let's take a quick look at today in the tropics for June 11th, 2024. The National Hurricane Center is watching an area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico for some possible cyclonic development over the next few days. This system is expected to move across Florida through Wednesday and then out over the Atlantic Ocean near the southeast of the USA. But regardless of cyclonic development, there will be some heavy rain associated with this system, so please keep this in mind, especially if you're traveling this week and especially into or out of Florida. I also want to show you a run of the global forecast system, the GFS for short, and this is courtesy of tropicaltidbits.com. We can see the aforementioned disturbance move across Florida early this week, but I'm also keeping an eye further out in the future in the Gulf of Mexico, because at least for this run of the GFS, we could be looking at a possible system developing in the Gulf next week. We can see an area of low pressure moving inland near the panhandle of Florida around Monday, June 24th. However, it's extremely early to really make any predictions about this at all, but I still thought I'd let you know what the GFS is showing on this run, just to help remind everyone to make sure to follow the National Hurricane Center for weather updates as we go through hurricane season. Finally, let's take a quick look at the GFS 200 millibar to 850 millibar vertical wind shear map, also courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. The red colors on your screen represent lots of vertical wind shear, which is a change in wind direction or wind speed with height in the atmosphere. Cyclones get shred apart due to high amounts of wind shear, so when there's a lot of it, it's definitely not good for storm development. And there is quite a bit of wind shear in the forecast across the Atlantic and Caribbean on this GFS run, but if we look at the end of this GFS run, which is valid on Thursday, June 27th, a lot of the wind shear across the Atlantic is not as intense. So we'll have to keep a close eye on this, because when there is less wind shear, cyclones could, potentially develop if the conditions are there. My friends, this segment today in the tropics will be updated periodically throughout hurricane season, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos. I recently received my certificate in weather forecasting from Penn State University, and I hope to share some of the information that I learned about meteorology and about weather forecasting with all of you to hopefully help keep everybody as safe as possible as we go through the season. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.